How to see watch history on Netflix. So if you want to see or find your watch history on Netflix, instead of doing this from the app, I would recommend that you open your browser. So if you're already on browser, that's perfectly fine. Go to netflix.com and log into your account. Once done, tap on the three lines option located at the top left and just go to that particular option there that says account. Once you go to the account option over there, you want to simply scroll and just go to manage profiles. Under manage profiles, here just select the profile for which you want to find the viewing history, and here you'll find an option called viewing activity, so just tap on it. Once you tap on viewing activity, here you can simply see all of your watch history, anything that you've watched. If you want to remove or delete them, you can tap on the hide all option to do so. This way you'll be able to see watch history on Netflix. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.